Many eye tracking studies rely on complex video stimuli and real-world settings, making analysis of the data highly complex. This analysis technique allows for a much richer and automated approach to analysing video-based data than currently available methods, leading to richer extraction and more complex data.
This method could be used in many different eye tracking applications, particularly in real-world situations or those that use video as a stimulus. Landscape studies have relied on understanding how people react to different visual stimuli. This technique, combined with eye tracking, could be used to test these assumptions.
For this type of research, a team approach is essential, for there are multiple aspects that require high-level input and consideration.
Demonstrating the procedure with me will be my postgraduate student, Andrew Treller.
The filmed sequences should be shown in an eye-tracking laboratory in which natural light is available, but which can be controlled to avoid reflections on the screen, on as large a screen as possible to occupy as much of the visual field, thereby avoiding distractions from outside the field of view. After seating the participant 60 to 65 centimeters away from the screen, ask them to imagine being in need of restoration, using a sentence that allows the participant to imagine in the context of the eye-tracking video. Then play the films for the participant in a predetermined random order, using a desktop eye-tracking device to record the participant's eye movements during each video.